is going to be a bit of a vlog and me making arms for my chickens. You may have seen the memes around the internet. It's just little arms for chickens, and I'm gonna take you with me for when I get the stuff that I need to make the things. Yes, I did get doled up just to buy clay. It's true. So, I started making little macaroni elbows and balls for the hands. Turns out I should have brought more tools to the park because this was quite a task, and the initial hands I made were creepy as hell. Look.
Oh no!
And so proceeds the process of trial and error.
Oh my god!
After the paint dried, this is what they looked like. I'm currently not going home because of Corona, but when I can again, I'll show you what they look like on my chickens. See you then!